Recruiters swipe through design portfolios faster than TikTok Reels until one layout detonates in their feed like a flashbang and the scrolling just stops. The feed stopper is exactly what we're going to build today. Give me 5 minutes and you'll master the 5-gear portfolio shift, a 5-project layout that makes busy OEM hiring managers think. This designer already speaks our language. Call them in. Say goodbye to 100 pages archive dumps and hello to laser-focused storytelling. First, we will mask the silent killers that tank veterans' portfolios. Then we shift through the 5 gears. Gear 1, 2, 3, brand target concepts that prove you get the studio. Gear 4 to 5, real-world case studies that earn instant trust. And a bonus overdrive that flashes raw curiosity without bloating the file. We'll finish with a lightning recap and one move you can make tonight. Hey, I'm Leandro Trovati, car designer, portfolio strategist, and the bridge between your talent and the next studio badge. Ready? Let's go. Seasoned designers often swing between extremes. Archive dump every program you've ever touched and drown reviewers in decade-old claybucks, or hang everything on one mega concept and leave recruiters wondering if it was a fluke. NDA blurs out with zero context looks shady instead of confidential, and 200 megabyte files scratch HR's tablet on the train. If any of that stinks, buckle up. We're trimming the fat and sharpening the signal. The 5-gear portfolio shift. Picture your portfolio as a manual shift sports car sitting in neutral. Revving the engine sounds great, but you won't move until you slot into the right gears in the right order. Most designers either dump the clutch or redline first gears and wonder why they're not gaining speed. The 5-gear portfolio shift is the transmission that fixes that. Each gear is one carefully chosen project. 3 forward gears tuned to your target brand's future, 2 torque-rich gears that prove what you've already shipped, plus an optional overdrive burst for extra flair. Engage them in sequence and your book launches off the line, hits cruising speed, and passes every bloated PDF on the road to that pre-interview. Ready to shift? Let's drop into gear number 1. The core model refresh. Kick off in first by taking the brand's everyday hero, the car that keeps their factories humming and giving it tomorrow's edge. If your target in BMW, revive the next Gen 3 series. For Toyota, rethink the Camry. Your mission is respect plus evolution. Keep the stance, surfacing cadence, and light signature recognizable, but inject enough fresh tension that reviewers feel the concept is tomorrow morning plausible. Gear number 2 is segment counterpart. Now upshift without leaving the brand. Take that same design language into a different body style the brand already sells. Your refreshed 3 Series sedan gets an X5 class SUV sister. Your Camry may cover pairs with an adventurous RAV4 rethink. Same DNA, new proportions. This proves you can translate their cues across the lineup, not just nail one silhouette. Gear number 3 is the bold vision concept. Drop the clutch and sprint into the future. Deliver a halo project, a hydrogen GT, a modular autonomous Grand Tourer, a battery swap pickup rooted in real tech trends yet unmistakably one brand. The form should stretch their imagination while staying believable enough for an advanced studio teaser deck. Gear number 4 is the flagship case study. Now, prove you can steer a real program from sketch to showroom. Pick one production or near production vehicle you actively shape it. Exterior surfaces, interior theme, CMF palette, HMI flow, wherever carried your fingerprints. Show the brief your key sketches or CAD views, the final launch images, and most important, the design impact. Signature elements that made it to the street, awards or press buzz the model earned, and how your decisions elevated the brand's identity. Keep any confidential data redacted, but make your creative ownership unmistakable. Gear number 5, cross-discipline win. Seal the sequence with the second launch-ready project from a different employer to prove you can thrive in any studio culture. Think of it as a quick before and after of your career arc. My own book shows the pattern. Gear 4 highlights my most recent role at General Motors, where I shaped a US market pickup, sketch iterations, surface development, and the production truck rolling onto the auto show turntable. Gear number 5 then rewinds to my Honda days, featuring the street motorcycle I helped bring to life for the Brazilian market. I showed the original concept doodles, clay refinements, and the final showroom bike, calling out the signature tank line and headlamp graphics that still ride the streets of São Paulo. Two different companies, two distinct segments, yet both projects carry clear Trovati fingerprints. That contrast tells recruiters, drop me into any badge, any category, and I'll deliver design that reaches the streets. Overdrive, the miscellaneous mic drop. Cap the deck with a fast-moving gallery that feels like peeking to your weekend sketchbook. Perhaps a 24-hour cafe race sprint, a wicked hot rod mashup, a brand Freelander speed straight out of sci-fi, a translucent bioresin form study that glows on cue, and if you like, one wildcard experiment, you knock it out just for fun. Each slide gets a tight caption, what it is, why it matters, the single design punchline, so recruiters glimpse the breadth of your curiosity without wading through another deep dive. So why the sequence works? The first 3 years speak directly to the studio's future. Gears 4 and 5 verify you've conquered real-world constraints, and Overdrive leaves a memorable after image. Reviewers experience a clear narrative arc, visionary, adaptable, battle-tested, and fun. Now it's time to put this portfolio strategy in practice. Audit your current book tonight. Identify 3 brand-specific concepts, 2 concise case studies, and 3 to 5 slides of pure creative play. Compress the rest. Engage all 5 gears, and your portfolio won't just rev, it will overtake. Now, if you're serious about taking your portfolio to the next level and want my guidance, click on the card above to watch the video with the detailed information about my one-on-one mentoring program. We'll talk about your goals, your design style, and how to make your portfolio truly stand out. And if you're not part of the squad yet, hit the subscribe button, smash notifications, and drop like to join the fan. When you've shifted your portfolio, drop a comment below and tell us how fast the interview invites roll in. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!